Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Jiyplner alcohol tester. It's Paula's accurate alcohol meter with digital LCD screen and a semiconductor sensor. This is a professional alcohol tester for personal and professional use too. And it comes with a USB charging function, so you can reload the built-in battery easily by using a USB cable. This is the AT7000 alcohol testing device. It's really easy to use and it's portable too. With its user-friendly design, this breathalyzer is incredibly easy to use. We can blow into the device for 4 up to 5 seconds, and within seconds the measurement result will be displayed on the bright, easy-to-read LCD screen. The operation is uncomplicated. It puts it in our bag so we can carry it with us everywhere we like to go. Whether we are driving or participating in parties, so we can use the alcohol tester anytime and anywhere. And it's fast and accurate too. The breath analytic device here uses a highly sensitive semiconductor sensor specially designed for measuring breath alcohol content. With this alcohol tester, we can measure our alcohol content quickly, easily, and accurately. This breath alcohol tester is a reliable tool to promote responsible alcohol consumption and compatible and comparable to the device used by the police out there. And custom preset function. During use, we can set our own suitable alcohol concentration limit in advance according to our personal needs. As soon as the test result exceeds the set value, the intelligent breath analytic device immediately issues a warning that reminds the driver to avoid drunk driving behavior and ensures our driving safety. And we have 32 times memory. This advanced breath analytic device with a remarkable 32 times memory function is designed to enhance our breathalyzer testing experience. With this feature, rich this device here, we can conventionally store and retrieve up to 32 previous test results for valuable historical data for tracking and analytics. And alarm level setting. This breathalyzer will emit an audible alarm when measuring more than 0.5 per thousand to remind the user that they are drunk. At a value of more than 0.05%, the red lamp will light up, while at a lower value, the green lamp will light up and shows you everything fine. With real-time alerts, we can make responsible decisions and prioritize our health. We stay safe, we stay informed, and we enjoy our lives. That's cool. And of course, energy saving, baby, is a big word here. The brand understands the importance of energy efficiency. So this breathalyzer is built with energy-efficient features. It turns off automatically if we left unused for a period of time to conserve the battery life and save energy. We can rely on the long-lasting performance of this breathalyzer without worrying about the frequent battery changes. And we have compact and convenient too. This breathalyzer was designed to compact and portable, so we can take it with us where we like to go. Its slim and lightweight design allows us to easily slip it into our pocket, purse, or glove box. Whether we are attending parties, having social gatherings, or traveling, this breathalyzer ensures us have a reliable tool to check our alcohol level anytime we will need it. And this smart upgrade breathalyzer offers advanced preset features that make it easier for us to ensure safe drinking. With the custom alert, there's hold, we can set the appropriated alcohol concentration alert level according to our needs and be alerted immediately once the preset range is exceeded. In addition, the breathalyzer also supports 32 times history storage function, which can store the last 32 test records, so we can check the drinking situation at any time, and for the history too. The compact design is really easy to carry, so we can conveniently take the breathalyzer test at home, at parties, or outdoor to protect ourselves and, of course, other. And the LCD display has a high resolution LCD display that gives us a clear and intuitive view of the alcohol concentration. This modern liquid crystal display provides easy interpretations of the test result with its bright and sharp images. The LCD screen is backlit for easy reading in any environment. It dimly lit room or outdoor at night. We won't have to search for a light source because the breathalyzer offers a continuous visible data display for us. You see, it's really cool. The Jiyplner alcohol tester brings everything what we need. Of course, if we drink something, we have to wait 20 minutes. We in this 20 minutes we does not smoke. We do not eat or drink something alcohol, and then we can make a test. And the test is really easy. There's a mouthpiece, 10 of them included. There's a mouthpiece which we can enter into the device itself. Then we push the power button for 1 second and it will start. Then the warm-up time is going on, and after this warm-up time, these are 20 seconds or something, you can blow into the mouthpiece. And then after, I think, 3 seconds, you can read the value of your alcohol, because it's an alcohol meter, of course. And then you have saved this, and of course, if the value is too high, you have to stop driving, of course. But if there is nothing, everything fine. You can see 0.028% BAC. We have 3 range, 1 green range, 11. Then another range is this yellow range, and of course there's a red range, which is presetted for you to make a good and easy testing thing, and you can see what's going on with your alcoholic test. This is the Jiyplner alcohol tester, Paula's accurate alcohol meter with digital LCD screen and semiconductor sensors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.